Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures, and on the 1 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD. We did see it converge and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD but approaching to negative MACD territory. We did close below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary resistance at the price of $25.65. As we extend out to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD nearing negative MACD territory, and for the overall trend, we continue to remain above the 150-day moving average, this red line, which acted as support as indicated back in November 30th as well as January 19th, so is now at the price of $24.24. And do note that we are continuing to make higher lows on the overall trend. And as for resistance, that'll be where we made a highs back in January 6th at the price of $28.07. If we were to test that resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 10%, and to test support, that is around 5.1% to the downside. And thank you for watching.